वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू से ढकें। हाथों को लगातार साबुन से धोएं। अपनी आँख, नाक और मुंह को छूने से रुकें। अगर किसी को खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो तो उससे कम से कम 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। जरूरत पड़ने पर नजदीकी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र जाएं या हेल्पलाइन नंबर 011-239-780-46 पर संपर्क करें।
Welcome class. Today we are going to learn about noun and number. In this video we are going to learn how we are going to change a singular noun into plural noun. Okay, so you will have to just watch the video carefully so that you can understand everything. I have some rules to change a singular noun into plural noun, so you will have to just keep your mind here and just watch it carefully. So let's get started without any delay. Numbers are two types, singular number and plural number. So here we are going to take a look on some important rules so that you can change a singular into plural without any type of problem. So first rule is that to make a plural form of a noun, simply add the letter s to the end. We are going to have some example. Look at these examples and you can understand the difference between the singular and plural. If the singular noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, z, you will have to add es in the last of the word. Look at some examples here. Box is going to be changed to boxes. We are using es at the last because the last word of the noun box is x, and according to the rule you are going to use es if you get x. Class is going to be classes, watch, watches, dish, dishes. According to the rule they are going to be changed like this. Here the meaning of ch is k, in Hindi ka, so we are going to use only s because of the pronunciation is ka or k. Examples: stomach, at the last we are using ch but its meaning is chs, so we are using s at the last. Rule number third: if the singular noun ends with the letter o, add es. So if you are going to get any noun stopping with o, we are going to use es in the last. So look at these examples. Hero is going to be changed into heroes. Mango is going to be changed into mangoes. Mosquito is going to be changed into mosquitoes. We are using es at the last because look at the last letter. It is o. That's why we are going to use es. But sometimes with some nouns add s. Rule number third: if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a vowel, add s to make it plural. Look at these examples. You know vowel a, e, I, o, u. Boy. Look at this. Boy is going to be changed to boys because before the last letter we are using a vowel. That's why we are using s only. Key. Look at this. Y, just before the y, e is coming. That's why we are using only s. Rule number next: if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a consonant, change y in I and add es. So you know y is going to change into ies. Without any further delay, look at these examples. Baby is going to be into babies. Look at this example carefully. Last letter is y, but the letter before last is a consonant. That's why we are using ies by removing y at the last. And there are some more examples like the same. Rule number next: if the singular noun ends with f or fe, F or FE is often changed to VES. So here we are going to have some examples. Look at the first example so that you can learn it properly. Thief is going to be changing into thieves. Look at the example according to the rule. The last letter is F. So that's why we are using VES in the place of F to change it into plural. Leaf is going to be changed into leaves because look at the last one. The last letter is F. That's why we are using VES. So here are some more examples like the same. But sometime we are going to use only S with some nouns. Look at the examples. Roof is going to be changed into roofs. We are not using VES in the place of F to make it plural. Chief, chiefs. Proof. People sometimes change the vowel A, I, E, O, U to make a noun plural. How we are gonna see? Man, men. Tooth, teeth. Look at the middle letter. That is a vowel. That's why we are changing the vowel into another one to make them plural. Look at the next rule. Add en or ren to make a noun plural. So sometimes we use en or ren to make a noun plural. Some nouns don't change at all in plural number. So here are some more nouns. Those are not going to be changed according to the plural one. Look at sheep. Sheep is not going to be changed at all. It is sheep, the same. Dozen. Dozen is also the same. So we are going to learn this rule. It is very important for us because it is going to be used in your exams and the teachers are gonna give you this. Next rule, to make the plural of a compound noun, add s in the end of the principal word. Take a look on these examples. Father-in-law, that is going to be changed into fathers-in-law. It is not changing to father-in-laws because the principal word is father. Look at the next example. It is also the same. We will have to just use s with the principal word in compound noun.